I celebrated the Mother's Day by bringing my parents to Tonglok Seafood, and these are the menu that is available in the restaurant. Of course, this video is not sponsored by Tonglok Seafood. I just want to share with you guys a good place to celebrate a special day with your loved one. We ordered this a la carte buffet, dinner seafood buffet, and this is the atmosphere of the restaurant. Usually, you have to make a reservation in 1 day advance. For the soup, crab and scallop, we can only order for one portion, meaning that we cannot have another portion if you really love it. And then for the rest, we can order as much as we want, and of course it's a buffet, so we can order as much as we want. And those I'm showing here are not all part of the menu. There are some food that we didn't order, and for 3 people it cost $168.30. So I would say it's worth the money because we also enjoy the seafood. So if you're looking out for the good place to celebrate a special day, please remember to go to the Tonglok Seafood, and bye bye.